So, a biblical passage that reflects my Module 3 learning journey in RE03 on doing social analysis is Luke chapter 10 verses 33 to 34. But a Samaritan traveler who came upon him was moved with compassion. He approached the victim, poured oil and wine over his wounds, and bandaged them. This passage reminds me that faith requires us to notice the suffering of others and respond with compassion and action. In this module, the message of the gospel connects with the idea that Christians should not ignore social problems, but instead observe them carefully and help those who are suffering. It reflects the spirit of the See, Judge, Act method, which encourages believers to become aware of the realities faced by the poor and marginalized, and to respond in a way that promotes justice and dignity. In Module 3, we learned about the See, Judge, Act methodology, a practical approach used by the church to analyze and respond to social issues. This method begins with the See, where we carefully observe social realities and understand the experiences of people, especially those who suffer injustice. The next step would be Judge, which involves analyzing the situation using gospel values and the principles of Catholic social teachings in order to understand its causes and moral implications. Finally, the Act stage encourages individuals and communities to take concrete steps to address injustice and improve social conditions through such activities such as watching documentaries about poverty and conducting social analysis with our group. We were able to apply this method in understanding real-life issues in the society. Through this module, I realized that being a Christian means becoming more aware of the problems around us and responding with faith-driven action. The See, Judge, Act methodology helped me understand that social problems must first be observed and reflected upon before meaningful solutions can be made. It also reminded me that my responsibility as a Lutheranite is not only to learn about social justice, but also to take part in promoting it within my community. This experience strengthened my sense of empathy and encouraged me to become more active in helping others and contributing to the common good.